they carry the job body. They not say, people don't they bless us now. We don't go give them again. We don't go draw on the body. These children, when we never show them love, now these children they there for them. But these same guys decide to say the same people when they bless them, when nobody don't help them, may they still join them enjoy. That's to let you know, see, these children get heart of gold.
Hello, my busy people. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Depends of the area we on they see our video from. I greet everybody according to una time. My people, we don't carry another wahala come again. No be small tori, we don't carry come again. Una know now say we won't watch Frank Victor Umenwan no more, aka Baba wey dey smile, where e for talk to Vera children how nice they are, and also message to Enogie Inlaw wey be pastor Mr. Christ. My people, I go like to leave una make una watch this video. Please no fail to like and share. Drop your opinion. Tell us what you think about this very video. God bless you all. My amazing people, please no fail to drop that your amazing subscriber for me. Support me with that your amazing subscriber, and also support me. Help me to thumbs up this video. God bless you all. Let me remind you all that it's free to thumbs up, not be money out there, my people. Wanna help me thumbs up. God bless you.
My real fans, I can never link us on my real fans. Now the useless people they watch for corner, they don't share. Now I need that cost on. Unless you know after they share me, you become a good fans. That cost not go to share body. If you be monitoring spirit, you they watch me, you know they share my video. If I all loud with me, I see they talk on. You can't love me and you don't love what I'm doing. It's not possible. You cannot love me and you don't love what I'm doing. Why do you not love me? Because my face will be like crocodile face. So they make people love me. You understand? For those of you now when they share my video, will love me genuinely, they support me in all ramification of life. God will literally bless you guys. You guys are blessed. Now, yesterday I said somebody bless these children with I don't know, say one of my fans, one wicked fans, we are very wicked human being. I just did my own judge of my people. That's what the woman your voice me. You play voice for me. Say Baba with a smile. I beg all those Vera children, they still support them. If they support them, please send me their account. I just said that joke. I say which one say still support them? Make I send down account. Now I send down account too. I did live video yesterday. The next thing when I see now 83,000. Oh God. That yesterday night 83K. Only press on the account. When may they take you less today will be Sunday. Oh God. Some of my fans, that's what the real fans, that's what I talked yesterday. The real people who really love me. Now they talk too much. That just the way I treat one thing I love my fans for, the way I say they copy my character. I know if one help person, I don't like to talk. I love surprise. And I like to surprise my people. And I love surprise. That's just me. Now, when my wife they fear me for being I go say, I don't know. I might know the yard or not. You might know the yard or not. Because you don't know my next target. You go to tell me say, yeah, but no cat. If you want to do it, very tell me. I will tell you. From where you're surprised, I will just shock you. That's why I do my thing. I know a video and they put on Facebook, and they do my surprise to my love, to my private. That's my private lifestyle. That's just me. Now my fans wear me money yesterday. I got shocked. I said, Jesus, yeah, we bless these children. And you know the first part. Today, as I see these children, they jollify, they enjoy. They not only enjoy, they gather friends and well wishers. These same people, when they help them, when their man abandoned them, these are the people that was there for them. They need gario, they want chop abolo, they want chop soup. These same people, where they chop, where they see them, if they so, and their parents they assist these children. Oh, But those parents, may God bless you now. All those parents will stand for these children when mama abandon them. May God bless you now. I know some will not still get now the money for the village, but with the small one not get now still cater for these children, advise them, make them not become terrorists for the society. God will bless those parents. And what he come make me happy for, God will bless Rotimi and the brothers and the friends. The way Rotimi consider all those children within the community where they gather there, where they chop for their house. They carry their love. May God bless them. I beg anybody who wants to assist those children, you are very free to assist them. You can inbox me. I send you their personal accounts. Their their account, now their name, their account. The one where Enogie with the talk. Say the boy want embezzle Lucky, which is their uncle, latest update for embezzle their money, blah blah. The way they change. Make I come to that aspect. From the beginning of this donation for these children, the reason why I respect latest updates and I dey pray may God continue to bless that man. May God continue to protect that man. From the beginning of this donation, that man not put his own personal account out. Now those children account bring out. Those children account. Now he carry come out. Any money will they enter that account. Now those children they get their alerts. Now those children they send letters so they say, we see so money for the account. It goes say screenshot them. It goes screenshot them. It goes send up on the Twitter. Latest update go send that for me. It is from those children accounts. Nothing like say now latest update accounts. Now they pin down. All the accounts we have just sent to people now are your accounts. Thank God say you know how to read. Now they see the name. Not like Lucky for the accounts. Now those children name and the account. And that's the biggest respect we I get for that man. He not say because now social media, these children, their man abandon them. May he bring the account come out, may they give them pin numbers. Then they receive the money. If they control them on when and how and what to use the money do. And to God be the glory, you guys are seeing the evidence. You guys are seeing what you are spending your money for. And I am so glad and proud of him as an uncle to stand for those children, to change those children's life, to take them from disgrace to grace, from grass to glory. May God bless you, bro. Now money be. And may God bless every hand that donates money to those children accounts. And for those that will still continue giving them, may God bless you. No what at all. I appreciate now. Now I use this new bless. Pray for all of my beg all of now. Why are you thinking what? You can one of me by no they can do already. You can have me 10,000 or me 1,000. The account is with you guys. You can bless them anytime, any day. Once you bless them, send me the receipt. I forward that to the latest update. Yes. If to see those children save the money, what I want to do so far, they save and say, may we not use them. Those children will not be, they're not going to be 2 million naira mates. Or 3 million, they're not going to be 3 million naira mates. Not going to 2 million. Only this people don't raise 2 million. They're not going to be 3 million naira mates. They are using it now, the scene. May God bless you now. Water. Now, my people, you see those evil people when one stretch their evil hand towards those children's life. If I ball lava be man yibo ya tie bolwa ogun ba ogun reni ora sun wa any man any woman wey see these children now they enjoy. They when they see these women now, these children now, they enjoy waiting people wey dey abroad they sell for them. Ni ara when you do agbovian make they go dey call their name for native to make they go spoil ogun na go pa na no wa sun ne wa that boy lava be e we not do what say wa ya asa. We be a kind of atubuwa. We be a kind of atubuwa where Ogatubuwa van, Ogatubuwa water, Ogatubuwa where a typical. May God continue to bless those children abundantly. Enogie, Sikajan. Adewu gesu egbe. Oriawo. Adewu gesu egbe u. Oriawo. Ewi gadewu gesu egbe u. Oriawo. Gadewu gesu egbe. Oriawo. Ewi gadewu gesu egbe u. Oriawo. Ewi gadewu gesu egbe. Oriawo. Ewi gadewu gesu egbe u. Oriawo. Gadewu gesu egbe. Oriawo. Enogie, the reason why I will stand to always tell you, I will not insult you. If my children, they lay curse on you, why I will call insult you as a father? No, God forbid. Oh God. If Don Rotimi go fix stand up, can't lay curse on you, which is my son. Oh, if my children can be laying curse on you, why I am the father who continue to no, I'm not going to insult you. The only thing, the reason why I was rewrite your name for my platform, it is because I want to give you words of wisdom. You make it now and why I want you. Oh. This is Pastor Chris Egbon, aka Le Cuckoo, just like that. Le Cuckoo, just like that. Le Cuckoo, just like that. A son to a very deadly and demonic native daughter in Edo State. A son to a very deadly and demonic native daughter in Edo State, who got married to Madam Joy. This is Madam Joy Egbon Enogie, traditionally married as custom and traditions demand. Bride price was paid. It's like no balance, yeah. You see, some who are men, the thing with they do our women, they can never make it in life. They can never make heaven. Baba. Some men are just evil. And at the end of the day, many pastors in Edo State, in Nigeria as whole, they are evil pastors. Now, native daughter, not pastors for Benin. Now, native daughter, not be prophet or prophetess. Because of Juju, no, they walk again, they turn themselves to become pastor, wear suits and carry Bible, carry laptop and iPad. Some cannot even quote Bible, now iPad they help them. Tap the book of John 3:16, you go show for camera, for laptop, some for now screen. They go to read. Let's read the book of John 2:16. For God so loved the world that he gave the only applicant to whosoever believeth in applicant shall never perish but have everlasting children. Oh God. Voila. Not if you hear who does it. Oh. I rest my case. My people, as we are saying yesterday, let's continue from yesterday's topic. Hey, I tell you, say me, I don't get your time. You see this Christ Egbon Enogie and John Egbon alongside with Umenwan Egbon. Now here I come for. Affliction shall never rise again. Wait till you know, say you know go fit end, no start am. You cannot say you are a man of God preaching in the altar of the Most High God. You marry old woman, at the end of the day, you can't know now, say, after you don't make and you don't make money, you can't say na old woman. My people, make una hear story. As I stopped yesterday concerning Chris Egbon and Joy Egbon Enogie, who is the first wife of Pastor Chris Egbon Enogie. Joy was a prophetess. He got engaged with a black man, just like me, because me a back rider. I'm a back rider for video. The way I'm a back rider, now so this guy, Chris, the back rider for Welu. He met Joy Egbon Enogie. He started a toast stand. As in a toast stand now, Omo, they call the wrong thing so. They put them for people so woto Ijoyawa, he said what a prophet no. Prophetess no wake here. I will know. Locomotive Moscow. My people, before we know what will happen, because this woman is a prophetess of the Most High God. Now in they see vision. Pastor Chris Egbon Ebazebe is a blind man. Ladies and gentlemen, Lehuku, we will know as Canopy Church, is a blind man, you know, the see vision. The reason why the church full, not also for Bini, now pastor where they see vision. Now people they run, they go to church. Pastor Chris Egbon was not a prophet, what do they call him? Prophets. Joy, now be the prophetess where they see vision. So based on Chris is educated, he can read, he can write. So Chris has to learn how to preach. So prophetess go stay for corner for altar. Why Chris go the prophet? Chris go the preach the Bible. Why prophetess Joy Egbon go be the one prophesying as a prophetess. This was how this ministry was managing all these years. Now play. They come buy land for Welu. Opposite of Eweka Street for Welu. Amoruyi Street of Eweka Street. Amoruyi Lane of Eweka Street for Welu. Now they buy land. When they buy the land, they don't see money to build church. They can't use canopy. They can't stand canopy. They can't rent canopy. Stand canopy for inside the land. Where they call they gather people. They prophesy. They preach. They call the church. That was why the church was called Canopy Church. They could shift closer. I go remember many of them when they are abroad. This church where I'm talking about now, many of them go to church then when I enter jam. I don't mind drink one. I say this time, Enogie, you never know about Umenwan. I decided to lock up all these years for all the stories about Pastor Chris Egbon Ebazebe. I will expose him today. And I will continue to expose him. I don't mind drink one. I'll share the video. I'll show you the devil. Make una sit down, make una learn. Make una sit down, make una learn. For those who they watch me for TikTok, I don't see why they always come to talk like this because they do saga. And once in the blue moon. But now go enjoy TikTok, now go enjoy saga on TikTok this recently because a lot of men with the action show for Facebook. They are not at my table. Now TikTok here they for the catch those women. Now TikTok I go come to expose them too. As I they expose them on Facebook, I go to expose them for TikTok. I go to expose them for Instagram. I also get Instagram. I go disgrace many people. And we talk. Many of our women has been fooled by these useless Asian boys with the bleach. Not be everybody wear bleach or believe be a cartel. Some now will be moist we use caro white. You go. Not be everybody way fair for Benin be a cartelian. Some now will be boys we use caro white organic cream. When I wait a day will come for that one, we'll come the iron those boys with the bleach, with the deceive our women, they nag them church and so they chop them when they abandon them. Very soon we are going to disgrace them from the beginning to the end. Don't play. Pastor Chris Egbon sees Prophet Joy. Now prophetess the see vision. They decide to open a church with the plans between the two couples to open church. Along the line, behold my people, don't play with the power of a woman. If woman stand by you, you can never fall. If woman stand by you, you can never do what? You can never fall. This woman stood ground. Make sure say the church go global. A lot of old women beginning they start going to the church because a lot of prophecy was really going on. The whole thing go global. This woman go viral. Church go global. Church tear blow. Man, don't play. Before we know what they have foundation not set. We don't dig foundation for the church. Play. As we dig the foundation, canopy see dey inside the center. Big. Not do. Okay, say Frank, my brother, tell Rotimi to put stop. Wait, me, I know they follow my they argue. I not get Rotimi number, make I call their uncle. And their uncle go open up for them. May not be like saying, I made the because this thing will be. Now, I thought this was not the first day yesterday. I thought this thing in stand. Hello, latest updates.
Hello.
The Rotimi uncle. I didn't live video, you hear me?
Yeah, I hear you, Baba. Don't matter.
I greet you all for the water. So about the power.
I greet you, Baba.
When you have your where in Nigeria, I was so happy. You understand? So you want the video you post it now. I really get joy. I'm happy about it. The way they are really enjoying their life and they are happy. I see the joy in their life. So that was why when I come on first week, I felt pray for you, pray for them. You understand? So my fans, they write on my platform say, I beg may you open TikTok for those children. Maybe they go live for TikTok. Maybe they post their TikTok handle. You understand?
Okay.
From there, people go see they gift them. Yeah, they gift in here. From there, yeah, this small thing. You understand? Yes. You know, so TikTok money now sharp as they hot. You understand?
Yeah,
because the way those students did, with the talent where they get, if they performer for TikTok, they go they get gift where. You understand? So that one another great idea where those students go see they follow up. And then if you get anywhere with you, if now Rotimi you use it if you want to open TikTok for them.
I don't open that today, sir. We don't put TikTok for Rotimi today.
God bless you, God bless you. So I bet you go share their TikTok, they may do video, may they share so that people go they follow their TikTok. Before 1 week, if they don't complete 1K, you understand?
Yeah.
No, they go live.
Sure, I go see use their page, they share the link so that make people see.
So that they help them, you understand? All those handles from there, every year, because every year one of my donate go near. You understand? And with all these things, they say they do all those things. When they share now, we say we don't see they did the game with the big bloggers, then they block their video. They go viral. Here they pull us a man. They manage. Off with the water. So nobody did about it. I will how why like gun. You start over here. Now you be too clear. Water off with you. Yeah. So this is already open TikTok for them. God bless you, Mr. Choice Favor. I greet you all. So that's why they open TikTok for the Rotimi and Assembly, so that if not dance, they dance with as those now they for Facebook, they do one for TikTok. People that love them, now go physically support them. May God bless all of you now. I beg they don't already get TikTok. Rotimi and Assembly already get TikTok. So anytime I get their TikTok handle, I will upload them on my page. I will pin on my page so that my lovers, my fans, and people they enjoy their entertainment there. So you job it. So my lovely people, I greet you now. As we are saying, you know, say we will stop, but then when they continue, and then they get the people, and then they distract us. Anyway, total wipe down the hall because you might not know this one because it's small boy. Yes, Enogie no go know this one because why? When all these things they happen, Enogie is in the ball in a way to go. We don't become big men then. We don't know the wrong things. We don't count millions. Because a church le kukuni manuso no go foundation. Yes. When Noziba, now my president Noziba enter chairman for Welu community. You understand? I might look young and small as people might see me to be. But if I tell you chairman, some day alive don't go. Where I don't work follow for communities. And I go say, How come? The man a head boy now. You understand? And each community where beside the hustle, where the work follow, I get name. You understand? Not be everything I go fit talk, unless those with your eye, weakness waiting soft for some things for community. When they will not say, you can your hand, or yes. Eleman they always also. What me like eleman confirm? I only hide down. I only talk say I be big man picking. I be big man picking. My father is your way. You understand? But thank God today. But we your way or we rebel. No we you, but no you go away no matter we make you. Now God's grace. It's in one. Osalo bono de bawaya. Benu waya de boy me yeke. Ni get di. Hunda we na me yeke. Gahi wato. Enogie Inlaw son. Inlaw son. Iye re ni we ka. O yo wo kakiri no we do the trouser view we to the market. Ya no. Akedo mi ego una. This woman suffered with this man to build that church. The church is a massive church. Oh, your way, not the small picture. The plan of that church na massive plan. The pillar of that church alone not be here. Not be small, not be beans. The church not be beans so. As you just see and wege like Bogafish so, that church not be in power. The power of the diaspora people and this woman. For real, believe me by beautiful people. This woman they see vision. This woman was seeing vision. People believe this woman die. Mothers believe this woman. And everybody they unye. Everybody is zuo. I respect her kate. Nobody respect Jando again. They look Jando like people because present about the jet they finish. Those days, your pikin there abroad, you be big man. They go put you for high table. Altar of God, na strong they put you. Based on your pikin there abroad. If you show your pikin picture, they wear high, all those Italo shoes, all those Jomaro Perez, that Beru, kiss your toes. Those kind of chuni, pew, and bear you more. Okay, 6 inches long. Now those women they play that year. All those boys go draw tattoo, come with one kind of big chain for neck, open body, they form Jando. Yo man, talokiro, yo man, Bonjano, what's Bonjano? You know, Bonjano, in Talo Street, Bonjano. God. Frankly. Manana, Bakewe would Brakewe, Maria. Maru Akate resides. All of the pure water, your name was the mineral Academy, the mineral in my size. Mavi Muna, you know, worry. Now, so this woman with the prophecy, till they follow up with this man. Before this church don't mass, it don't go massive. My people, behold. Pastor Chris Egbon, Evazien Bay, honor do any with joy, your mess, and be. After I'll make you good. Oh God. Our women, they suffer, sha. May God bless our women. May God strengthen them. What they pay me, the way our women they treat them sometimes, it's not good. We know, say we get useless mothers, so we get useless women. But inside 100%, 85% of our women are blessed women. Especially Benin mothers. 85% of Benin women are blessed mothers. God bless them. Because of where the way God creates Benin mothers is different from other women. Benin mothers now once you say they already use their hustle to bless man. They already use their to hustle to give my money to go straight for party. Just to go straight to show up. Benin women will feel on. No woman they try for their husband. And only Benin mothers they try. And then you will see our stupid men. They go make use of them, they go useless them, they go betray them, they go use them, dog them, without no showing them mercy. They don't care how they feel. If you like, when they go by yourself, you don't pay on your soup, where they roll. The same thing with a pastor Christian, a Christian also, I go a pastor Christ, no soon with it. Never ball like we are. And then a joy, a prophetess join our prophesy in church. Via customary, via passenger, via followers, via viewers, via neighbor. Uma rock your map will be. And on our vacancy day public. Uma joy. And on our say, Iya Marigo, Rigo. Ebonu na suse, Ibiya Gaviwe. Iya Marigo, Rigo. Ebonu na suse, Ibiya Gaviwe. Oh, Udazi. E Christ no one sungu ya se benera obono na bola no gun gbera gbiju era ni sungu no boni gbera e bonera ga no fie ke gbera no boni hinwe e ogun ba gun re no gun isa ogun piko ogun yi no hinwe nya yota why they make you my neck na re even make you Pastor Chris Ebo come here. Yes, but la re, Oro, et le royago. Oh, well, la re. On searching the land, no weekend, won't bazaar. Man of God, professor, professor of Belagos way. He don't know when like a pastor, was soon Chris, was soon, yeah. La Zucata Nazede, oh God. Can I professor of good? While you are professor, yeah. Ogun Bazin Woto. Pastor Chris Ebon, ladies and gentlemen, please somebody open to Ecclesiastes chapter 15 verse 5. Oh God. Please, a fast reader, please. A fast reader. Who will pastor need what the Bible? A fast reader. Somebody should open to Luke 15 verse 6. Another person should open to Luke 15 verse 6. A fast reader. A fast reader. Native daughter of one pastor. Wonderful. Now only believe they happen. Now only believe they see native daughter of the one pastor. Pastor will go corner say, if you go meet pastor for office, or one brother, pastor one of God, my brother. Holy Spirit, the flesh is trying to use me. I'm walking in the flesh of young. Ladies and gentlemen, please, as I talk this thing, so I'm going to share this video because we are going to be prophesying tonight. Pastor Chris Egbon, honor abandoned, Lowatiki, Joy, Evazibe, Egbon. Gaya hu bi enu so wo ebi gege ti to yi munda we so so we Pastor Chris Ebon pretend on Lord's side with joy Ebon Evazibe. God wanted to Ebon Evazibe. Now before we know what is going on, honor ya only here one because Pastor Chris Ebon a very squared man. We are not here, we are not kekwa. Ni ya we one night stands with Umenwan Ebon original back yellow rezomo akiri no sunu ona ikwe owono le ikwe na mugo yomu ona kwe fa wa na ke bi ma no sunu yedo ona wuti ni wa mare Umenwan Evazibe ge yawo I settle down as a man of God. My came no sunu Umenwan or housewife. But Enogie no Enogie we no be ayewa. Enogie no man ni waya se aye. O atora dia. Ba bana ni aye de luzamo. Mala wo na ga video na muda we kwa ko hu we yo. Ele ma gwan kan le na o le story Chris Ebon Evazibe ve Joy Ebon Evazibe Yamwe Otima Ogiolose imose gbose eduni kulora me oge gbelebo okuno ne gbelo no uwi okuni mususi enwa iwaze gbe na weza is very control ko ni mani musi le mu da bo wa ko mu ibo yo ahia asife eye mo yala ko nala owo ni musi nala na mu nene ira wege ekmen no gbe so odu market Eri viva ni musi ni wayaye Enogie MC with the TV celebrants. Bakumwe kana ugesi loye kunda muhwane anagwale awoye ni mwa wato wa musi yo na bomwa we. Le basva amusi kusi na mwelega na lo da oli kire ai ni deba ne mo gumege iye loki iye no ele gbe no egbe bolo so mami tutu oku no ele gbe ogun no ewe akede kan we ora olo kekekeke we no go iye ni musi o sa o se Enogie ewi conglomerate na na ewe mere amen o sa o se no le gbe na amen o Enogie no le gbe na gbe ni nya gbadi ara epetu bi na won da we ogie siria e ba be iye Enogie ni musi iye edu ne ku lora me oge musi ogi olosi ni musi ogun no ene gboro wa iye no erun ya gbomo iye no apa ya won owo no ma ki omode no yomo kini ude no bi akwa no se ko mo ma ene gbe re webu iye ni musi ano ame imusi gbose Elizabeth ogun ni musi no gbigbe age utausa ona mi agbade utausa le wa se ba ni musi yo ona le gbe gbigbe agbe ogewe Hausa ma boy ona ade Yoruba na ti Akure jonjon ona lo gbo ola Akure hunda we iwa re aya gbo le na iye no le gbe Elizabeth ni ye imusi gbose iye le ogyo iye le mwe wudu ekebe ya gbo me ogyo lo se no le gbe obi le gbe oti Yoruba na gege Yoruba we bonjon no ona we bonjon no ovi Italy anazoni ona we kaaro mu mi báwo ni ona we dáadáa ni o e fún mi udi o wa o ba ni ona wi ye no gere o ni na lo gbo pe agbo iye o sa gbo ni iye no ni gbe no ni gbe no ona mu yo na mo ade o te do ona mo are Akure o Kakure gba ona mo are Ologbo Johnson wa are o te uwobo ona ya gbo owo iri ogun na le gbe iri ogun yo yan re yan ga ebe ori na gbogbo ina le ori na gbe pa ya wu iri ogun na we agwa no re ma se ti re ebu na we efia ogun wa le ogun ke so te efia no gbe efia kire ari wi ye no gi ana woro na isefia ko fia kwa yan na we efia apola gario ogun na da so yan we apona gario ye no gi na ze mu ana mu ade do na ade wutubu ona yari cotton owo ayi cotton e wotu won ge ekigbe agbe ne na ne won ku ge Elizabeth kwekwe iye no le gbe won o mi agbade ahunda we won ame anagbada we wa to wa pe ale ra iye no mi agbade na la wo na ga video na le ko to ga kuri na ga zai hunda we obo agbe ko ohun ibo eyo a ga bele anakawo a hu ade o ke ki ana la we ki asifen ye bo yala ki wala wo aga Mose bana ye ki alizi ba yi obo agbe ko ohun ibo eyo wo he wa to me no ko wi wa otunwa Umenwan na mo wa ha we do bago bele uche omozo uche papa we mu uche alalu uche periodica uche ohun no gbe kola edibu ga bu ni me ya mo afa me no wa ya ta won mi agbade ran me no am omunu ogedere no do yunu kan pe no sunu mo ma pe gbe na wo ye wa to wa pe wa to off wa gbe ile wa ni la se fena ko yinu gi ara no gi ara ni agbade ran de na ya ru kan abida so edamu si ni mo se off wa gbe pe ni hun pe no mi so off gbe je lo yo o ki an gbe o ki an le ba se ba ya gbe do me we iye me ge o wi san o wi aba body aye ofure yen no ge cooking with the barrister yaro yi off gbe ini ko ni temata ai tare ya ofure no ge e ma hon ya yo ja wa no vie no wu o mi no vie you know barrister of we mo wa ba alagoda me Christian iyaro yo e wa ye Sofia wa to wa ya be no me akpade na yemu hia tita a de to anye ta ko krese do wa ya wa ato of gbagbe na kwa yo ile ko ko wa to gbagbe. So my lovely people, I greet you now with better style. He introduce one and he introduce a one and you know already now. You understand? Enogie we would introduction now. If you be really MC, I want you to also comment. You see the way I just short entertainment to my people. I want me to do your own short entertainment. Bring me to your platform with invitation. Just analysis the way I do want to make the really so you be MC. Number one. Number two, a Christ a rascal bay no who no mind why I see no more or akman a gift to somebody here on a move for way or mere if you blame you go that way I say or be issue ever when you were both long years of I talk on you honor the new oh no you don't go sorry Elizabeth now uhekede with you one night stand or you Umenwan and when I look mama of the church. The mama, the original, the oga pata of the mama of the church is Joy Ibazigbe. And now when I told on that church, Pastor Chris Ibazigbe, aka who is Joy. Joy is the seer, while priest is a preacher. This was a secret in the church. When Pastor Chris chased Joy from the church scattered till today. My people, oh, Baba, if I talk this thing now, it called a permission and saga. Now, for the talk this thing, many people will take it as saga. Pastor Chris is a bloody 419. Pastor Chris caused a lot of problem between the diaspora people and their parents. People where they are abroad and their parents, this Chris really also mudana. Ezonosi oyitagba. A Pastor Christy, una get church where una know those days where we say mother go go church. If you know you have children abroad, you bring your children picture. My children not go document from abroad. Na kana izinya basha go ebo. So baba, if my only guy, if you know, tell me no man back with my best. And we address it the way you people will understand. You guys know when those our women they come abroad, they come to do the show. They're not there after documents. Madam will put them for us. They go they pay us and they pay like they pay gas for madam. They go they go road work, they go the hospital, they come out, they sleep. They get cab when they carry them. Those days. They not get them document. Until you balance madam finish before you go tell you one process document. Some of the madams, if you get evil madam, as you balance madam finish, you go call you up by they go arrest you, they go deport you back to Mango. Many evil madams do them. Now, these same pastors, most of all these our mothers go, they always they go church, they go they pray for their children when they are abroad. Unknowingly to those mothers say their children are not sure they do for abroad. Many of our mom, many of 85% of our mothers don't say they are picking, they do a shower for abroad. They go they carry their children picture of this. Now they post, they show for church the water of God. If their children want builders, Pastor Chris go convince they say he go stand the builders for their children. Pastor Chris go make sure say do everything possible to take the attention of those children from their mother, and they children will not be looking at Pastor Chris as their spiritual father. I don't my drink out here. Okay, because of the sister, Pastor Chris lose followers. Okay. My people, Pastor Chris Ebo Ibazigbe Oze Nodu Enya Koatamu Wana. I get proof. I only talk things without no proof. No me. I'm not here to sit down to call a fool myself as a married man with family. They talk rock crash against somebody we call himself saying a man of devil because this is no man of God. You say those daft people, those sack literate people are the people that look out on these people as a man of God. Who are demonic people, they are looking for money to make to earn a living, take responsibility of themselves and cater for their family. So, but people, a priest was not taking charge of those people in the diaspora, causing problem. Pastor Chris don't scatter many people home. Beloved, Chris don't scatter many people home. Now God let's save them. Many women back up from Pastor Chris church because of their children abroad, where Chris used against them. To the extent Chris people will talk saying that their mom is their problem. This pastor you see upstairs, very demonic and useless pastor. You see, Frank, you know, you see me, you touch your ear, touch your nose, touch your teeth. I be Nora. I be Nora when they touch my nose, touch my ear. You still have a special charge. My way to one eye. It's a man go walk away. Ah, God. Chester. When they came, I swear. My head, my shoulder, my knee, my nose, my ear, my eye, yeah, my head. You see what you look at me I do? My head, my shoulder, my ear. Where my mouth? Where my eye? Now this one, this one. My eye, my mouth, my down, my head, my leg, my bula, my yansh, my chest, my breast, my nipple, my waist. Enogie, who were hungry special charge in here? Are you mad? Enogie, I am not telling you now. Since you don't give me work, I don't do your work, Abi. I pass your exam, Abi. Enogie, I beg, ask now right now on my platform so make Enogie make I touch my eye, my ear, I don't touch Abi. Mona help me tell Enogie me go read A B D A F E D E E K L M N O O P B C T U V U Z. And may read the Benin National Anthem for me. Now I don't me don't go school. I don't know to speak English. Now Benin now I know, now traditional things I know. Mona help me go tell Enogie make read Benin National Anthem. May use and open the platform tomorrow if you want to start. Ọba ẹwà Enogie Inlaw. Oye kene madoyo. Ọ̀rá adéwu mọ́díà. Àná ọ̀rẹ́ ooo. Túra tọ́ gbége. Nasa go talk and reach. Now you are learning, right? Now you are carefully copy. I don't want to give. I don't want to give a spoke. Understand? So now try to copy this English, practice this English and go this Benin language. Go to camp. Go make sure you read 1, 2, 3 to 100. If you want to say you normal, you will read 1, 2, 3 to 100 for me. If you feel read 1, 2, 3 to 100, I'll give you 1,000 naira. Oh, bah, this is a man, senior man. I greet you, Baba. I won't touch your bosses. And not give me I touch my bosses. My bosses is dirty. Shit day for my bosses. Shit day. All these men will finish me. Some of people, Enogie is a fumo live Enogie issue. Go talk to Chris first. Because this Chris story, I don't want the stress sound. I don't want to talk everything one because I want you to create big content. At least like 1 month. If you are not well, I will narrate everything. Well, I never go to the spiritual things what they do for the church. Yes, I will talk everything with proof. Hello? Are you guys hearing me? Don't play. Now, Ladies and gentlemen, that is for Enogie and man they don't wear suit like na wedding guy wear suit. This is Enogie sister. On a get beer. In sister their husband house. My people wanna listen when I say as Enogie stupid rich. This Enogie sister their husband house for the past 2 years plus. Close to 3 years now. He never born. He no miscarriage. Enogie no mock his sister. Say your sister, the pikin wey sister for born for husband as they born for Germany. His sister marry pastor for church. Born for pastor, you not born. Pastor they born for outside. His sister not gree born for pastor. Me wey don't fit born for Nigeria. Come abroad, come hustle money, take care of my family. He say make I dey born, born. He say me get me they look for fruit of the womb. He say me they cry, oh, I no get belle, I no get belle, oh, I no born pikin. But they like more. In your sister where they look for the fruit of the womb, they say Lazuda, Inada, Equador, Father, fruit of the womb, give it to me. Fruit of the womb, give it to me. Omabie. In sister, they use calendar to the fuck Evazigbe, Christ. Once you just see period finish, every evolution period, oh yeah, give it pecus. Pastor, put on, give you. Oh Father, give me baby. Father Lord, give me baby. Father Lord, give me pikin. Father Lord, give me pikin. Oh, Pastor Chris, give me pikin. Isaga, pena bave. Oma egumi or the foundation. I have the church. Wonderful. Les Ulaza. Attendez. Et vous m'avez 6 feet in there. Et nous, vous m'avez coupé vous m'avez. Et nous, sister, that they down. Now we wear suit like Boboliga. That and wine. The pastor now they up. The second woman wear something like brown black with golden weave on, golden human hair. That is Joy. Christ Egbon. It was Egbe. The last wife now they down, which is Pastor and wine. Christ Egbon. It was Egbe. You understand? Why blocking you? Or Chino Giro and Mammy Mobile for many years. For 3 years, no, they are water. No, my being a him. A no gina moke, a Dominion talk show, or what Dominion ma bieba mo, or tia my de biokba, or tia my me fruit, and out of me a womb. A fruit no tia my me woman, a fruit near one for them, my go near one up on a year less one month. Having a winter. A Chrissy. Ọ̀sẹ̀ gbé kí ayù ẹ̀wọ̀n ọmọ máa lẹ́rìí Kristi náà ìlà ẹ̀rọ àbí ẹ̀yọ yìí. Ó bàbá ìmọ̀ ní fi ìyàwó ìdọ́gba ìmọ̀ ní ẹgbẹ́ kí ni ẹ kó wa ká lọ ẹ̀. Update ya bùn gbìyì. Latest update my brother, may you hear this one now. Pastor wey dey lash pikin dey lash mama Imaesodo. Just like that, Jesse. In my own year, go on. Baba will smile. In your topic, Christian morning. If I say, baby, oh, mother, yeah, the pastor couldn't do like that. I can't narrate a father story. Baba, oh, second, no do. Baba, something they suck for this one, sir. So Enogie, you know, I be Enogie don't know. I'm not gonna blame Enogie. Maybe Enogie don't know this kind of dirty character there with this family. When marry sister, hey, Baba. After the talk, so this woman get too flat with the build for ground. This is why Enogie sister get too flat with the build for ground. Where from Pastor Chris? If I believe here, body yo. Hey, Christy, what boy? Years of boy. Ono ya de kon ko ni ye no ga girlfriend obo aso kini kisi ogo o bo bu me gbe kisi ti bon me gbe la de ogo o ti no ge no wo e kan ho here welu market o ya kan te kan ho him welu market. That's the mama of the Lord. I do my drink and wine. Enogie no say iwe yaro yan yori. Enogie, you know me. When Baba with this man way, me I dey give you clean updates. I had you a debunk. I will give we are tomorrow. I will Monday. Good morning. Oh God. Tomorrow morning, I go deal with you. I dey see Pastor Chris for time out for Benin. Pastor Chris dey sleep for Ashawo joint. See, to be frank, not be say na because na saga. A Christ igbeyagiano o we gbe time out ona mu enwe. Time out ona mu enwe no mu yo wana. One night stand or do ask why? Baba. Imade against a Christ don't have one by a joy. A minute against the is chasing joy away. A joy if you must say be. The young man awa. I've been on one see. I've bought or no young man. The person that make you become great today, you are a back brother like me. Is this joy? Prophetess joy. Now I make you become great. You call yourself Lekuku just like that. Now, when that church was in a canopy church, you don't know when. Prophetess Joy was there. Gather women, mothers. That church now, Mama Fula, Aviji. With the power of Prophetess Joy, Mama I put the cuckoo just like that. Church, don't play. And that's what you will see. You will raise pictures. So picture already spoke up of their children. You understand? See, even Pastor Casey now, that one I build, that one I talk now. Pastor Casey now talk. I let her go in what? I take Pastor Casey man by Casey. I go with him. I tell you Casey, what's Casey? Casey na Benin talks now. Na Benin agbe, Benin assassin. Only one gonna Pastor Casey na person. Ni man dey ba, that one don't get direction. Today na APC, tomorrow na PDP. Ni man dey ba now. You understand? So my people, I'm here to the Calico, the bounty rush in Montana. Saga the bounty rush because you get what? You know, I call kill you because you don't give. Or anywhere, you will collect my hand with water. You know, the way you are see about the Rotimi. Unless you come out and apologize for Rotimi. Simple. I'm not going to play with you. Seriously. Watch this video. Share this video to Enogie. I don't get issue with you recently now. If you come out categorically to apologize to Rotimi, I don't get issue with you, master. Now my people, I greet you all with better style. We're right there. APC na land with the ground. APC na land with the ground. APC, we are land grabbers. Stop playing.
Thank you everyone for watching. God bless you all, my amazing people. My people, what you think about this video? Make una no fail to like and share. Drop your opinion. God bless you.